If you are truly looking for a luxurious executive condominium in Punggol with beautiful facilities, with quality finishing and fittings, a mere 10 minutes walk to Punggol MRT with waterfront living, I think this is the perfect home for you. Welcome to Piermont Grand Show Flat. My name is Vincent from Urban Agents. The developer for this project is City Development Limited, CDL in short. They won the right to build this project in February 2018. It's a global leading real estate company with footprints in 29 countries. They are also listed on the Singapore Exchange. Their portfolio includes House on Handy, Boulevard 88 in Orchard Road, and the Tapestry in Tampines. So now I'm going to show you our 4-bedroom premium show unit, 1367 square feet. This is the entrance. Once you come in, on the right hand side will be the location of the circuit breaker boxes. You can put your modem here and shoes below, shelving below. Coming to the living room, you will be welcomed by a 3.95 meter ceiling height. What can you do with this additional space? You can install a 5 square meter loft. You can put a bed there for you to rest, or you can just design like the ID. Just design to your own taste. It will be beautiful. Floor to ceiling, high glass panel, there will be ample of sunlight coming into your unit, making it very cozy. The provision, there's 2 air conditioning. One is here, one is here, and also the developer will also be giving you a fan. This is the dry kitchen. We will be provided by the developer. You can have your meals here, or you can just put some decorations here. Behind the dry kitchens, there's storage. Nicely built for you. Coming to the wet kitchens, it's a very practical kitchen also. Sink and the mixer is by Grohe, will be provided. It's a top German brand, specializes in kitchen fitting. Top and bottom cabinetry all provided nicely for you. For electrical appliances, microwave, the oven, the cooker hot, cooker hood will be provided for you. The brand is by Teka. It's a solid brand, German brand with 90 years of history. Top, bottom, cabinetry provided for you. Heading towards here, this is the yard area. I feel it's spacious. On the left hand side, if you have a helper, you can do up a rest place for your helper. And right hand side, you can put a washer and dryer. Coming over here, it will be a WC, small bathroom, mainly for the helper. Of course, this is a very good use also if you want to. Come, let me show you the bedroom. So this room is the junior master with ensuite bathroom. Provision for this bedroom, vinyl flooring nicely done up. Wardrobe, very sturdy, very solid, with drawers below, accessory, drawers, built for you. On top, you can put your luggage. Of course, air conditioning will be provided. Full height window, and this is the attached bathroom. Very comprehensive. Basically, it will provide you everything. The storage below, the sink, the mixer, the shower head will be provided. So before I show you all the rooms, let me show you the common bath. The water closet, storage here at the bottom, the sink, the tap will be provided, shower head provided for you. Just install lighting and we are good to go. Along this corridor, we got 2 common bedrooms, one on the right hand side, one on the left. For this room, vinyl flooring, again, wardrobe, air conditioning provided for you. You can put a queen size bed here, no problem. Let me show the other room. Again, the same provision, vinyl flooring, wardrobe, air conditioning will be provided. Good size, a queen size bed will be good enough to put it here if you want to, no problem. And let's show you the next highlight of the house. It's our master room. You can see the space here is extremely generous, very roomy. Good size, king size bed if you want to, no issue at all. 2-side table, and there's a dresser table. Options here for you to put. We have a Juliet balcony also for you to enjoy the views of the facilities. Very cozy. And walk-in wardrobe provided for you. 2 huge panels, one on each side for you to put all your clothing. Drawers below, accessory drawers provided nicely for you, 2 sides. And to top it off, we have a built-in accessory cabinet with a full height mirror to draw yourself up and more place for you to put all your accessories. Lastly, the attached master bathroom, provision-wise the same, very comprehensive, water closet, cabinet, shower head, storage behind the mirror, and at the side provided for you. Right now we are at the 3-bedroom premium 1130 square feet show unit. As you can see, once you walk in, there's a so-called private foyer, so the neighbors won't be able to look directly into the living dining area. Very spacious white space for the living. You can just place a sofa here and there's a good distance away from your television, so you won't strain your eyes. Coming forward here, there's a balcony. Good size, I feel. You can just design as per the ID, a small table here, a small couch here, and enjoy the scenery. So going towards the kitchens, it's an enclosed kitchen. Before we head into the enclosed kitchen, this is the location of the circuit breaker box. There's no shelving below for you to put your shoes, and on top here you can put your modem. Once we enter the kitchens, we can feel that it's a good space for you to do all your cooking. Cabinetry, top and bottom, very solid and sturdy, nicely done up by the developer for you. The sink and the mixer is from Grohe. It's a top German brand specializing in kitchen fitting provided for you. Electrical appliances, namely the oven, the hot cooker hook, will be provided for you. Brand will be Teka, also a German brand with 90 years of history, very solid. More storage, top and bottom, also done up for you. To top it off, we got more storage on the other side. The top cabinet and also some drawers here for you to put all the stuff. Coming here to the yard area, this is where you can place your washing machine, dryer here. On my left hand side is a WC, additional small bathroom if you want to utilize it. So now let me show you the bedrooms. So before I show all the bedrooms, let me show you the utility room. For this utility room, you can do it up to be like a study, or you just remove all this, you can put a single bed and it's going to be comfortable. There's two entrances to the utility room. One is from the yard area and one is from the main entrance. So from the kitchen, you can issue to the utility room. Let me show you bedroom 3, will be on the opposite. Provision-wise, the wardrobe, vinyl flooring, air conditioning provide for you. All you need to do is only install the lighting and the curtain and you are good to go. Opposite bedroom 3 will be our common bathroom. Very comprehensive provisions, the shower head, water closet, the sink, the mixer, storage, top and bottom provided for you. Let me show bedroom 2. This is another bedroom. Again, vinyl flooring, wardrobe, air conditioning. You can put a queen size bed here, will be good. And yeah, just install lighting and curtain, you are good to go. Now let me show you the master bedroom. This is our master bedroom, very spacious. Air conditioning and the flooring nicely done up for you. And there's an attached balcony for you to enjoy the view of the facility. Our 3-bedroom premium. Next, a 3-bedroom premium comes with a walk-in wardrobe also. 2 panel, more than enough for you to put all your clothing, and if you've got accessory like watches, ties, you can put it here. Additionally, we have more storage behind this built-in accessory cabinet, full height mirror provided also, so you can door yourself up and also put accessories on the shelving here. You can put this area as your dresser area also, it's also good space for you. And the attached master bath is bigger than the common. Provision-wise, it's so very comprehensive. Even have storage behind the mirror, nicely done up for you. Bottom cabinetry at the side, open storage, water closet, shower head, everything provided for you. So this is the beautiful model of Piermont Grand. This project consists of 820 units. Total blocks will be 13. Block 22 and 30, the highest floor is 10. The rest will be a combination of 17 and 18 floor. Unit type, we got 3 to 5 bedrooms. TOP on paper is February 2023. The land size for this project is close to 300,000 square feet, so the developer can build a comprehensive range of facilities for the residents. Car park lots, we have 820, meaning 1-to-1 allocation for one unit. Most of the units here are north-south facing, so there will be a very minimum exposure to afternoon sun. The main entrance for this project is via Sumang Walk. So once you come in, you'll be welcomed by a grand and spacious drop-off point. There's also a fully sheltered side gate that leads you to an existing bus stop that brings you directly to Punggol MRT and also bus interchange. From here, you can see our main function room and also two beautiful pools, namely the family pool and the children pool. So a lot of units here basically have a pool view because altogether we have 4 swimming pools. The other one swimming pool will be at the end there. It's called the hydrotherapy pool and flanked by 2 barbecue pits. And tennis court, yep, a big piece of land so we can put in a tennis court also. This road is Suman Link. Suman Link, we have a side gate also. There's also an existing bus stop. So you can utilize this bus stop to travel to various parts of Punggol and also to Punggol MRT, of course. Where I'm standing here is a Punggol Cove Primary School. So there's actually a good distance away from the school. Over here will be Punggol Walk. We are flanked by Nibong LRT and also Sumang LRT. A side gate here to use to allow you to walk to the LRT, or if you want, it's a 10-minute stroll to Punggol Waterway. We have another barbecue pit here, and coming over here is the most captivating part of the whole project, the waterfront living. There's a side gate here, so if you want to do exercise, jogging via this park connector, you can use this side gate. And also, we have a gym that overlooking the beautiful and scenic My Waterway and Punggol. To top it up, we have another 50-meter lap pool over here. Full condo facility, very beautiful landscaping. Piermont Grand is just a short 10 minutes walk to Punggol MRT, the bus interchange, and the shopping mall Waterway Point. More good news for Punggol residents, the Cross Island Line will have an extension on Punggol MRT. So next time from Punggol to Pasir Ris, it's only 4 stops. This improved connectivity from Punggol all the way to Pasir Ris, and it will be open in 2031. And our project is only a 3 minutes drive to Tampines Expressway. So in terms of connectivity, we are very well covered. The exciting Punggol Digital District, PDD in short, is just a 6 minutes drive from Piermont Grand. With Singapore targeted to be a smart nation, I believe the PDD will elevate us to a next level. PDD basically is a combined amenities for the communities, which includes a hawker centre, a childcare, a business park which will create 28,000 jobs, namely in the IT sector, and also the Singapore Institute of Technology (SIT) will be housed there. To top it off, there will be extension on the Northeast Line. Punggol Coast MRT station will be built directly inside the PDD, and so residents, whoever want to go to the PDD, will just take the MRT to Punggol Coast and reach there at the doorstep. For grocery shopping, Piermont Grand residents can head down to Waterway Point Shopping Mall. There's a Fair Price Finance there which operates 24 hours. There's also a cinema in the shopping mall and plenty of eateries for you to choose. For parents with school-going children, the nearby primary school includes Punggol Cove Primary School, Punggol Green, and Punggol View Primary School. For secondary schools, we have Edgefield Secondary School and Punggol Secondary School. And the famous Mito School is also a short 10 minutes drive away from our development. For leisure purposes, we are nearby to the Marina Country Club, the golf driving range, and Safra Punggol. And if you are a lover of the nature, we are nearby to Coney Island also, and this development will be ideal for you. To summarize, Piermont Grand consists of 820 units, 3 to 5 bedroom selection type. TOP on paper will be February 2023. The maintenance fee will be $264 to $308 monthly. So typically EC entry price are lower as compared to private condominium. Given its close proximity to Punggol MRT, coupled with the rare and desirable waterfront living and a solid reputable developer in CDL, I think this project truly fits the bill of many home seekers today. Of course, in order to be eligible for an EC purchase, you have certain criteria to hit, namely the income ceiling, first or second timer, and your nationality. Feel free to call me and I will be glad to assist you. Again, my name is Vincent from Urban Agents. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next one.